Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert multiple photos in a PDF. So just follow the step. Open photos. Now select the photo which you want to convert. Okay, after selecting the photos you have to click on this share icon. Scroll this bottom row to find the print. Click on print option. After that it will bring up to the printer page. Now zoom out the picture. It will bring up to the secret printer option which has another share icon. So tap on the share icon. When you pick up any of these options shows in this row, the photos converted into the PDF file. So I'm gonna select the option which is iBook. So I'm selecting this option. After that, image is converted successfully in a PDF file. If you want to check your PDF files which you converted, so go to your iBook application and check over there. I hope you like the video. It will gonna help you. So please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.